Let's take a look at the Airfix HMS Suffolk kit, and we are going to take a look at converting it to HMS Exeter later in this video, but first we'll have a look at building it as HMS Suffolk, a classic British three-funneled heavy cruiser. As always, there's a few changes that we should make to this kit to make it a bit more accurate, one of which is to increase the rake of the bow because I thought it was far too vertical. The 8-inch turrets all came with a strange skirt near the rear of the turrets, and this should be removed off all of them. The bridge superstructure footprint needs to be modified as shown here to form an overhang. The original form can be seen here, and there is no overhang, so that has to be modified. The forward 4-inch mounts are actually too close to the pedestal for the pom-pom and so can't rotate. So you either have to move the 4-inch mount back or the bridge structure forward. The outer prop shafts looked far too close to the edge of the hull to me, and so I moved them in a little bit closer inboard. The props applied also looked way too big, and so I've built 4 scratch belt replacements. I've used the White Ensign Models photo etch set for this build, and I've also referred to photos of larger scale models for adding extra detail. A change I didn't notice until too late is that the forward half of the catapult platform should be an overhang and not a solid deck house, so I just painted it to simulate that appearance. So overall, I was pretty happy with the outcome of this kit, and with the extra photo etch and extra details added, once again, it turned into a pretty good result. I had 2 of these kits and I decided to convert one into an HMS Exeter. Now, it's probably not the best kit to convert, especially now that there are more HMS Ajax kits around. So the Suffolk kit is a little bit too beamy and it also has bulges on the hull, but it does have some advantages, such as it has the gun turrets that match, and it also has funnels that can be turned into the type suitable for Exeter. So we'll have a look at a conversion of this kit into HMS Exeter. The first thing you have to do is shorten the hull, and then you also have to extend further forward the quarter deck level. I used most of the original deck, including the barbettes, just cutting and splicing to match the changed deck levels. Various sections of superstructure need to be scratch built, and the funnels need to have their ends squared off so that they stand vertically. A new bridge structure needs to be scratch built along with single 4-inch mounts if you want to make it as per the configuration of the Battle of the River Plate. I was lucky enough to find some spare photo etch that was suitable for making the lattice aircraft catapults. So this final series of photographs shows the end result, the painting being completed, and just shows what can be done. So in this video, we've seen the kind of results you can get from the Airfix Suffolk kit in building both HMS Suffolk, and if you want to have a go at it, you can convert it into HMS Exeter, and it makes a reasonable result as well. You might notice that the painting is pretty rough in places. I'm just using the old Humbrol enamels and brush painting it. So if you wanted to spray paint it or take a bit more care, then I'm sure you'd produce better results. However, this is what you can create on your kitchen table, basically, with the most basic of tools.